everyone, it's Flora. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, me and my friend, we decided to have a picnic. So today I'm gonna show you everything, how it's gonna be. So let me tell you guys that I didn't buy anything to eat right now and I'm late. So guys, I'm not gonna show you buying things because I know you guys, you won't watch it. So I don't want to make a long video. So let's go. So guys, I'm gonna take this bag. It's so big because I'm gonna put everything that I will buy, and I took something to wear because I don't trust this country's weather. So guys, let's go. Guys, I'm here waiting for my friend because she's lost. No, she's not lost. She doesn't know this place, so I'm waiting for her outside. So guys, this is my friend. Yeah, andaste, amiga. This place is so beautiful. So cute.
Baby, when I look in your eyes, I can see you as a child. The river gives us every good thing, and then it takes it all away. Don't take me away from you. Don't take me away from you. I feel like I knew you then.
I forgot to buy water. Right now I'm going to buy it. So guys, here is the water. The water I bought for us.
I've learned that there's an art to changing, that I'm the potter and the clay, I'm the canvas and the painter, the marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush, is a rush, feel the rush. You're a painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like a Cavallo, all the colors layered on kaleidoscope. You're a sculptor of Bernini, grow like branches did on Daphne, turn living into art. Life's the Louvre and you're the Mona Lisa. Masterpieces take a lifetime. And patience is a peerless craft. It's wonderful, it's beautiful. You know who you were a year ago. Oh, paint your portrait as you grow. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush, is a rush, feel the rush. You're a painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like a Cavallo, all the colors layered on kaleidoscope. You're a sculptor of Bernini, grow like branches did on Daphne, turn living into art. Life's the Louvre and you're the Mona Lisa. La la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la, la la la. I live.
So we decided to make videos for TikTok.
Uma palavra, louvor.
Poderoso esse nome é, poderoso esse nome é, o nome de Jesus, meu rei. Nuvem.
Como é fácil. Eu vejo uma pequena nuvem do tamanho da mão do homem.
Ah, como é que eu esqueci?
Uma palavra, uma pregação. Quem
Começa.
vai começar?
És tu.
Vamos fazer aquelas coisas assim.
Isso já fizemos lá, dica lá. Deu a ti.
Aquela luz eu estava te mostrando.
So guys, we are ready to go home, but first we're going to show you guys at the place over here, and I hope you guys like it because I love this place too. Let's show you guys. So guys, as you can see here, they are playing some games, and if you want you can do exercise over here. So yeah, I love this. So over here, if you come with kids can play over here. Yeah, it's good. So guys, as you can see, this place is so beautiful and I hope you guys like it. Please like and comment. Bye bye.